Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong Sikamalambong Inkosi. This is where football and passion meet. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and to click the notification bell so that every time when I upload you get to be notified. Dango. Every game that Kaizer Chiefs want to play, we all see which they want to dominate the game. So one of the things that they must prepare themselves is that they're gonna encounter teams that are going to apply a low block. So for any coach that is aware of what is happening, he has to select a starting 11 that will have players that are capable of giving us those movements that have a variation that would allow us to have those movements that will allow us to break a low block from the middle fielder to the forward. So for a Kaizer Chiefs, we saw with against teams like a Polokwane City, Richards Bay, Amazulu, Marumukalans. There were teams that were applying low block, waiting for us to commit bodies, and then they start to catch us on the count. So for Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi bypass a low block, they have to have variations that have a movement that will allow them to draw my opponent out of position, make sure they shoot from range, make sure they put in crosses so that our forwards or a striker gets to profit from those crosses, especially our square balls. Nakhona square balls that are accurately dipped inside the box so that the striker can meet them at the highest point or hit a half volley. So for Kaizer Chiefs, I think personally, I'd prefer this trio forward. On the left winger, we will have Uklodi Lilebo. On the right, we will have Ukanyisama. And then on the striking force, we will have Uta Silva, Flavio Silva, because it allows us squads gubanama options of attacking. Because those three players have different kinds of attributes and also their profiles differ, but knowing very well when you attack, they will always give us give opponents that threat it's either they cut inside to shoot or they cut inside to combine with the striker and the attacking midfielder that joins in and be a supportive strike, or they're gonna put in crosses so that the striker gets to profit from that. So this trio, the reason why I think it is going to be a deadly trio for Kaizer Chiefs, it is because Flavio Silva, in terms of positioning, he's very good inside the box. And Flavio Silva, he makes good runs. So he will find it easy for us with his squads to those goals, because we need someone that is very good when it comes to breaking windows in terms of passes. That's where we include a player like Nkosi Mphile, because he's going to do that repeatedly up until the defenders of the opponent get frustrated, because he's gonna make sure he tries at least after every 5 minutes to keep on G2. But the important thing is that is not only about focusing on the strike, but the wingers and the fullbacks will have a huge role to play also. When you have a left winger like Lilebo, we know that he always possesses a threat when it comes to shooting. He shoots from anywhere, and at some point is very accurate when it comes to that. It's just in Djibouti. We play against goalkeepers that when we play against, they make sure they bring their top class performances. They make good saves, but if it wasn't for that, Ngabunama goals are manning now, because he's one player that I'd say which is not afraid to take responsibility in his hands and then make sure which he shoots, because shooting from range, it's another way of breaking in a low block, because you shoot and make a save, it becomes a corner. It's a set piece, and then we get at least to have another opportunity to score, because we need those kind of options as many as possible so that it can be easy for us to score when ukudlula low block. So with Lilebo knowing very well he has to cut inside, it gives Cross a chance ukuthi akwazi wenzani ukuperforma through that left flank, akwazi ukudlala as a hybrid to be able to put in crosses, so that it's either uLilepo joins inside the box naye, and then to add that numerical advantage in the box and also that height, because obvious if lidlula uSilva surely kumele lihlangane nayo uLilepo inside the box. Khanyisa Mayo on the other side, if he feels like he has to take on defenders, it's either Ushai cut back with his weaker foot or he cuts inside, he tries to bend one in the far post so that you can get a chance to score, because he's capable of doing so. If Naguye, it doesn't happen like that. It allows uSolomons ukuthi akwazi ukudlula naye lapha na haki touchline and make sure ukuthi he outpace him, yena ngene phakathi aw add number boxing, because every ball that is going to come in the box, it will have many people that are going to attack it, because we're going to involve Silva, Lilepo, Mayo, including our attacking midfielder on that day. With Mawal Figa lapana, we have a chance of scoring, because most of the time in this later down is because we don't have many numbers inside the box, but you want to score, because even a rebound at some point as scores kwathola, because akuna muntu zo attack. It was only against Ikwabu Scope that we got a rebound that we were able to score scoring ngayo legalile, but in some games it becomes difficult. So in low block, it is difficult to break if you are playing a team that will try by all means to frustrate ngokuthi yenzeni incisha amabhola and make sure ukuthi ayingayi with, and it doesn't allow you to have a penetration enaro. So for Kaizer Chiefs, this variation would allow them ukuthi to be able to draw my opponents out of position, and also it would allow them to at least to be patient enough to try and draw opponents out of their defensive lines, because we saw with Umodi and Umdodai that interchanging of position. Sometimes you see Umodi playing as a number 10, you see Umdu playing as a wing, so it causes confusion between our defenders. Which one should I mark? Should I go to Modi? Magaya Modi ushia Umdu Daila Pan. Magaya Umdu ushi Modi la. So it becomes difficult, but when the game continues, they figure it out what are they supposed to do in order to bagwas mark. But we need a different variation also that would allow us if Sebabambele, let's put in crosses. That's where cross comes in. That's where Solomons comes in. Let's put in crosses so that we feed Utasib, because in terms of positioning is good. We feed Ulilepo, we feed Umayo. If it doesn't happen like that, let's try Guti. We use Ungobo, we use Umtoda, we use our front three so that we draw our opponent out of position in such a way. Guti, we have to have decoys, players that will make it as if they are trying to attack his space, but do a reverse run, so that it becomes easy for us. Guti passing ya hamba will keep us fast. This is your core. So players like Umayo, Silva, and Ulilepo, they're gonna help us in doing so, because we have many options now. If we fail to shoot from range, we have to use plan B. We draw them out of a position. If we fail in doing that, also we have to make sure we retain ball position, we circulate so that they come at us. We know with corners Zokhala, Magapuma, Sengenangai, with the ability of Solomons of carrying inside, attacking in, making sure Guti adds numbers in that middle of the park will make it easier for us, because we don't have any stress to worry, because we know Guti Ox will drop back and defend. So Lababai 3 Lapapambil only have only one task. Guti makfiki bola kubo ngiyakhahlelwa siyakora, because enye yezinto esenza ukuthi kube nzima ukukora, because we'll find Silva dropping deep azangene ku half yethu to collect the ball, but at some point it works because he creates space for himself. Uyeza udlala 1-2 sickness space, because we attract the opponent lamlandela waphuma, and then sesikwazi ukwenzana ukutransition using ipace ka Mayo or Ulilepo ega Lilepo or Umori at some point. But in this one, I think it's going to help us, because Uta Silva also now, he's good when it comes to making runs, and also he has a pace. So you can see how unfortunate he was against Amazulu. He could have scored because he used the right technique to score, because he tried to chip that ball, but Darren Johnson was on top of his game. He was sharp on that game. So I don't know what do you think, but I think this trio forward is going to be deadly for us when correctly applied the tactics by the coach and using repeated patterns in such a way that we make it difficult for our defenders to cope with how we attack. That's when we'll score more than one goal a match, because we know which it is guaranteed. Which if it's not my scoring, it has to be Lilipo. If not Lilipo, it has to be Flavio da Silva. So I don't know what do you think, but I think it's going to work for us, especially while we are struggling. And another factor maybe engayenza ukuthi kube difficult is that ukuthi singabe clinical in front of the goalpost. Tango.